Hi students, how are you? Other day I took a class for class 7. Today I am here taking a class for class 9. Everybody should save from all the diseases, and for this we should not go out without any reason. Do you know? Okay, so be safe, free from all diseases, and for this you should stay home. Now come to the lesson. Look at this. What is this? Think 5 seconds. Yes, it is root, and it has always we find under the soil of a tree. But we are human being. Do you human beings have any roots? The answer is yes. But unlike trees, the roots of human beings are invisible. Trees' roots are visible, but human beings' roots are invisible. The roots of human being are family members, friends, neighbors, relatives, birthplace, where they born, where they grow up, etc. So, dear students, already you have known our lesson is roots. Unit 12, lesson 1, page number 152. Okay, dear students, now write down some word meanings related to roots. Festival, biggest, festival begets, hazards, reasons, invisible, look at the word festival, that means ceremony or feast. Biggest, largest. Hazards, risk. Region, cause. Invisible, imperceptible. Have you written? Okay. Now look at the picture. What is your idea about this picture? These pictures indicates that human being take risk when they go home. Homebound people take any risk when they go home at the time of Eid vacation. But the question is, why they take a risk? They take a risk because it is the pull-up route, Shikolet Tan. It is the pull-up route, Shikolet Tan. They go home at the Eid vacation to their family members, friends, or relatives, neighbors, and these are called the roots of human being. Actually, human beings have no roots like trees, but these things are felt mentally, and they are called roots of human beings. And who have no roots, they are tokai or parentless or orphan or street children. They do not know where they come from or where they are heading to. These people always feel empty and lost, though they are found with many people, but they are lonely because mentally they are rootless. Now, student, I think you have written this word meaning. Silent reading. Open page number 152, Unit 12, Lesson 1, and see the text. Eid is the main religious festival of the Muslims in Bangladesh. This sentence is a message for the Muslims. Eid means happiness. Everyone wants to share this happiness with near and dear ones. So, most of the people who are living outside their homes for different reasons have a strong desire to get back home during the Eid vacation. As a result, there is a mad rush to board buses, trains, or lunches for going home. This often causes transport accidents that take away many lives. However, this cannot stop people from going home to meet their family, in-laws, or friends. And this is the roots of human being. What makes people rush for their homes in spite of serious hazards? This is nothing but people's desire to return to the roots. Do human beings have roots like the trees? The answer is yes, but unlike the roots of the trees, they are invisible. They lie in our minds. It's these roots that make a bond between us and family members, in-laws, friends, neighbors, or even between us and the land where we were born and grew up. In that sense, our families, our land of birth, relatives, our culture, traditions, our surroundings are our roots. And wherever we stay, we feel the power of our roots. It's our roots that develop our identity, making us what we are. When we lose that bond, we become rootless. Human beings who do not have any roots are non-identity. In other words, they do not have any identity. They do not know where they are from and or where they are heading to. This often makes them feel empty and lost. Read this passage again and again and try to understand the sentence clearly. Now, dear students, answering the question. What does it mean? How do people go outside their home? What are the roots of human beings? What are the roots of what are your roots? Explain it. Now look at the questions. Number 1, what does it mean? Number 2, why do people go outside their homes? Number 3, what are the roots of human beings? Number 4, what your roots? Number 5, they do not know where they come from and or where they are heading to. Explain it. Dear students, read this passage again and again and try to answer the questions I think it is very easy to you because they have enough time to read out it and share with your friends who cannot enjoy the live class. So, dear students, listen to again. Trees have roots, but human beings, we have also roots. But these roots are not like the trees. They are found in our mind. The roots of human beings are family members, relatives, friends, neighbors, birthplace, in-laws, and where they grew up. Besides, their culture, traditions, and surroundings all are their roots. And without roots, they are rootless people and they have no identity. These people who have no identity always feel empty and lost. So, we should always try to converse or communicate with our roots, and now in this danger time, we should converse with them, because without conversation or communication, these roots may be lost, then we all will be rootless. So, dear students, read attentively and try to make answer of the questions, and another day I will come before you, another lesson. By this time you should stay home and be free from all disease. If you go out of home, you must use mask, and without reason you should not go outside of your home. So take care of your health and be safe and free. Thanks to all.